Good evening, approach 00 Mike Delta, India is cleared double 50 information Romeo.
00 Mike Delta, India, radar contact, descend to 3,900 feet, QNH 1011.
3,1011, 00 Mike Delta, India.
3,900 feet.
3,900 feet, 1011, 00 Mike Delta, India. 011 set. Descent checklist is complete. Minimum start set for 400 feet. .305 on the heading, Zulu Sierra Mike Delta India. 305 set. Will be left hand vectors to intercept the ILS, localizer intercept for runway 21.
Zulu Delta India, tell left heading 240, clear for the approach for service.
Left 240, clear for the ILS, approach runway 21, Zulu Sierra Mike Delta India. Clear for the...
It was 2,300 feet, QNH 101.
Say again the altitude please for Mike Delta India.
2,300 feet.
2,300, cleared for the ILS 21, and the QNH 1011, Mike Delta India.
Report service.
Report established next, Mike Delta India. 1,000 to go. Localizer is alive. Zulu Sierra Mike Delta India established.
Zulu Delta India, Roger, 8 Master Tower.
Contact the tower 18-6, Zulu Sierra Mike Delta India. Good evening, Tower Zulu Sierra Mike Delta India on the ILS 21.
Zulu Sierra Mike Delta India, wind 220 degrees, 12 knots, runway 21, cut land.
Clear to land 21, Mike Delta India. What is my parking tonight?
Delta 4.
Delta 4 copied. Three greens, no red. Feet above, approach stable, continue. Approaching minimums.
Minimums.
Come inside, continue.
Runway 788. Runway 21, use QNH 1011, temperature 24, pushing a
50,
face north.
40, 30, 20, 10. Zulu Sierra Mike Delta India taxi via Zulu Alpha to stand Delta 4.
Zulu and Alpha, stand Delta 4 on your frequency, Zulu Sierra Mike Delta India. Bring the aircraft to a stop after the line. Flaps identified up. Jet heats off.